Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share something with you. I have an earring kit here that I bought for 50 cents at the thrift shop. And what does this look like to you? It looks like a whole bunch of plates and pans and things that you would use in a miniature kitchen, in a dollhouse kitchen. So I got this for 50 cents a while back, and I had put it away knowing that at some point I would need something like this. But of course I am not going to use it as an earring kit. I don't need it. And in the back it shows the different pieces. So there is a pusher, the back, the fabric, the shell, the holder. That there is the holder that you see right there. The shell ones are those little plates. And all the other ones are there, I believe. So these are all the little pieces that came in there for 50 cents. I'm not sure if there's anything missing. I'm really not, putting any mind to it. But this is what was in there. And this is perfect for my dollhouse kitchen in the gigantic house, the kitchen that I am working on. So I will use these pieces. Look at these. These look like little pots and the lids, or I can use them for something else. Even the little tiny ones, look at those. They look like I can use them as little knobs. Little tiny knobs for the stove, or for the sink, for drawers. So I'm amazed at how a little earring kit can give me so many miniatures. So I wanted to share that with you because sometimes you might have things like these in your possession and you might not be using them. But if you are creating, these are great for repurposing. So I hope that you enjoy this idea, and thank you so much for watching.